Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. So today is Sunday, May 29th, and it's the long weekend, Memorial Day weekend, and I'm going to be channeling my inner Joanna Gaines today. I have my Magnolia t-shirt on, I have my Joanna leather leaf earrings on, and I am going to be I'm going to decorate my balcony today. And so I'm going to head out to, I think I'm just going to go to Home Depot today and try to find a couple of plants for my balcony. I'm going to shop around my own basement and see what else I have to kind of cozy this balcony up for the summer mornings, to have our coffee out here, and even on the summer evenings when we can just relax with a glass of wine or have dinner or just sit and chill together. So I'm going to take you along with me to see what they have for plants over at Home Depot, and then we'll get to decorating the balcony. So if you want to see how this whole thing comes out and what I end up buying, then just keep on watching.
So it was such a beautiful day to go shopping for flowers and to be outside looking around. And my Home Depot has quite a garden center. There's a garden center outside, and then inside there are a bunch of plants and flowers, annuals, perennials, all of that good stuff. And I really was in the market for something that was different. I had checked a few different things. Some of the stuff seemed to be a little dried out, but these were succulents, or they are succulents, I should say, and they were very healthy and they looked like they had recently been planted. So I picked up one of those containers. This was gorgeous, but that was $119, so I passed. And then I went out back where they had a bunch of stuff on racks kind of all together, and I got this geranium, which looked really healthy, looked like something that was new to their stock. The soil wasn't dried out, so I picked up that sort of peach colored geranium. Some of these things, I don't know what they were, but I saw these flowers and I liked that they had some greenery added in, so I did pick this one up as well. I love the fuchsia with the bright green. So I picked up this one and these other two. So I'm just going to check out, and let's get them home and put them on the balcony. So before we go up on the balcony, I just wanted to show you that I got my bird area all spruced up, and I was at Big Lots today. And I found this beautiful bird bath, and it's a solar bird bath. It lights up at night, and it's just so gorgeous, and it was only $38, and it's so pretty. So I just wanted to show you that and show you how everything is really everything's looking so green. All right, so we're up on the balcony, and I've got my citronella candles burning. This big beautiful candle that is an outdoor candle that I got from QVC. It's a Luminara that can be on a timer. And then I have I always have to have something whimsy. Here's my fairy house and my fairyman tree. And that's a plant that's an evergreen that I've had there for quite a while. And this I got from my basement. I told you I was going to shop my basement, and this is a little wind chime, and it's a hummingbird. It's got the little wings that go with the wind, and I absolutely just love it. And it kind of bounces. I think I got that at Home Depot a couple of years ago. There's the succulents down there, and I think they look so pretty. They're just absolutely gorgeous. And that's a plant that I got last week or a couple weeks ago. I did go to Big Lots, as I mentioned. I got these cute little hedgehogs. It says hedgehogs. I really liked them for their little rain boots. They were so cute. So I couldn't resist them. And I got this candle there at Big Lots as well. And everything was really on sale. I got this little welcome sign with a bicycle and flowers. Trying to show you the flowers as best I can with the sun the way it is, but it's just really, really pretty. And they were having a really good sale. Things were 25% off. There's my 2 plants that I picked up from Home Depot today, and I got those, well, I have to wait to show you the little table that I picked up 2 tables from Big Lots today, and it's this one that the plant is sitting on, and it's really cute. They were only $10, and again, those were on sale as well. So they look really, really cute. And I had picked up this lantern at Lowe's a few weeks ago. At the beginning of the season, we bought an umbrella, and I picked that up as well, and have a candle in there that I've had for many years. It's just on a battery and on a timer. And so, yeah, just kind of showing you how everything kind of came together here. You can see how everything is really getting green in the yard. I don't know if you can see Bob down there. He's cleaning the leaves out of the cover of the pool. We're getting ready to open up the pool. And I have my blankets that I had picked up from the thrift store a couple weeks ago on the chairs with the cushions. Gives it a real cozy look. I got those citronella candles at Big Lots, and there's the other table that I got at Big Lots as well. Can barely see can barely see out of these trees now. So I really love how it came out. It does look so cozy. And I also pulled my imitation faux bush here that I had gotten from QVC last year. I pulled that out of the basement. And here's a close-up of my succulents, but you can kind of see how the whole thing looks. It's a small balcony, but it's cozy, and we can sit out here and just enjoy the weather. And here we are a few hours later, a couple hours later, having my glass of wine, and we're sitting and just kind of enjoying the quiet and the peacefulness, and just some time together. And I have to show you this little guy. If you look closely, you can see him. It's a little chipmunk. I spilled some safflower there this afternoon when I was filling my feeders, and if you look closely in this next part, you can see his cheeks are very full. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now.